Welcome to AutoRepair Cloud page. We now offer 5 new subscription types. The subscription page has been modified the most. The old plans have been updated and the new ones added. We now offer 5 new subscription types. Let's discuss them in detail. If you are a new user who is registering to use our application for the first time, you will have access to all app features for 14 days to get acquainted and decide if our application works for your purposes. After the free trial, you will need to subscribe. The first subscription type is called Free. Here, you can access basic functions with no additional payment, such as customers and vehicles listing, quotes management, appointments scheduling, diagnostic checklists, and labor estimate. The second type of subscription is called Mini. It costs $34.99 a month and is intended for one technician. This type of subscription includes the same features as the free subscription, plus new additions such as sending SMS messages, all chat functions, repair management, import and export of data, QuickBooks integration. The third subscription type is called Standard. It costs $49.99 a month and, unlike the mini subscription, is intended for 4 users. It also allows to add an additional user for $5 a month. The Standard subscription includes all previous features plus the following: wiring diagram from Haynes, repair manuals from Haynes, technical service bulletins, The fourth subscription type is called Advanced. It costs $59.99 a month. This subscription package is designed for 4 users with the option of adding additional users for $5 a month. This package includes all functions from the previous packages, plus additional functions such as OEM wiring diagram from motor, OEM repair specs from motor. The OEM, original equipment manufacturer, means that you will have access to the data from the original vehicle's manufacturers. Important notice: only those users who reside in North America can access the additions. The last subscription package is called Full. It costs $74.99 a month. It is also designed for 4 users, with every new additional user costing $5 a month. The full subscription package includes all functions from the previous packages, plus additional functions: OEM repair manuals from motor, OEM OBD trouble codes decoding from motor, and OEM component location from motor. This subscription package allows you to access all data from the vehicle's manufacturers. Important notice: these additions are available for users residing in North America only. To learn more about our subscription plans, please use the following link. Thank you for watching our client web portal review. If you think this video is useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see our videos and stay updated.